Greetings and a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to create an SSH UDP account, a pivotal step in enhancing and accelerating the internet speed on your device, aiming to rectify any persisting issues with poor internet connections. Let's begin by visiting google.com and accessing vpnjensure.com, the platform through which we'll guide you through the account creation process. Upon reaching the website's home page, locate and select their menu option. Subsequently, opt for their free VPN feature, followed by choosing their free SSH tunnel to advance further. Next up, you'll need to pick a server based on your preferred location. Simply choose any server that suits your needs and proceed by clicking on Create Username SSH Tunnel. In the provided space, enter a username and password of your choice and complete their I am not a robot verification process. Proceed by clicking on Create Username SSH Tunnel to move forward. Upon successfully completing these steps, congratulations! Your SSH UDP account is now set up. Be sure to note down these credentials for future reference. To learn how to utilize this account in HTTP Custom, refer to the video link provided in the description for detailed guidance. Experience the remarkable benefits of superfast internet speeds with your new SSH UDP account. Remember to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. The links are available in the video description. We kindly encourage engagement by commenting, liking this video, and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for joining us today, and let's continue to expand our knowledge together in the realm of enhanced internet connectivity.